At around 2:43 in the morning, this guy tried to break into someone's house, but couldn't get in. Now look here at this doorbell footage. He's struggling with the door. Maybe he's under the influence or dealing with some mental issues. Either way, it's concerning behavior. Would you have called police immediately or waited to see if he left? Always prioritize your safety first. This guy was trying to break into a vehicle right outside someone's home. Did he really think no one had a camera on him? The homeowner spotted him immediately and yelled. That was all it took.
Unless you want a cat pop in your ass, you better get out of my truck.
What you think? No.
Some mother in my goddamn driveway. I'm about to go out there and pop cap in his ass.
He took off instantly. All that risk for an unlocked car. Get a job, man. What would you have done in the homeowner's place? A barefoot person showed up at someone's front door and tried to get inside. What was going on with them?
Phone call, bro. You gonna let me die, bro, too? Just do me a favor. Take this phone. Take this phone for me. Please, bro.
Watch them try to make their way in like they belong there. No shoes, no explanation. The homeowner had to call the police to deal with it. What would you have done? Tell us in the comments. In Brooklyn, New York, someone was banging on a stranger's door at 6 in the morning. What could possibly be that urgent at that hour? Watch them cause a full scene right on the doorstep.
Hello?
Hi.
What do you want?
Say it.
The homeowner threatened to call the cops. That was enough.
Leave. If you don't leave, I'm going to call the police.
You sure you do that? Behind you, you pull all that stuff behind you, and you cross the mountain, and you come and scoop me up. You don't know, I can't get in and talk to you right now. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
You need to go. I'm going to call the police if you don't leave right now. I don't know you. You have no business here.
Probably not their best morning decision. What would you have done in the homeowner's place? We've seen porch pirates and all kinds of wild things on these cameras, but a guy taking a nap on someone's porch, did he really think that was going to end well? Watch him make himself completely at home. He woke up to the police standing right there staring down at him. Sweet dreams. What would you have done if you found him out there? In Miami, Florida, this guy tried to slip into someone's house thinking he had it figured out. Did he really think no one was watching?
Espera, vos, ¿qué tú vas a hacer? Ah, cabrón, te estoy grabando, huele bicho, ¿viste? Voy para allá, cabrón. Voy para allá, cabrón. Dale, papi, voy para allá, ya te cogí, ya te vi.
Watch him try to make his move before getting caught completely in the act. That's a gamble that didn't pay off, not even close. What would you have done if this showed up on your camera? Tell us in the comments. His guy tried the door and peeked through the window like he was running through a checklist. What exactly was he planning to do next? Watch him work his way around before finally giving up and taking off in a car. He never came back. The homeowner has been extra cautious ever since. Can you blame them? What would you have done after seeing this footage? Tell us in the comments. This guy thought no one was watching. But did he forget what century he's living in?
Yo, hey, come on, man. You can steal something from me? Come on, that's ridiculous. Come on, it's my family. It's my family, really? I saw Amazon come 2 minutes ago, and you tried stealing my...
Watch him go straight for the package without even glancing around for a camera. That ring caught everything. Without it, he walks away clean. Would your setup have caught him too? This guy thought breaking into an unlocked truck was worth his time. What exactly did he think he was going to find? Watch him go through the whole thing before walking away completely empty-handed. All that effort, nothing to show for it. What would you have done if this was your truck? Tell us in the comments. A deer wandered up to someone's porch in the middle of the night and just hung around. Did anyone send him an invitation? Watch him take his time like he owns the place before heading off completely on his own terms. And not a single window shattered. Progress. What would you have done if this showed up on your camera? This guy walked straight onto someone's property and tried their car door like it was his own. Did he really think no one was watching?
Can I help you?
The homeowner had a camera set up and spotted him immediately. One alert was all it took. He left without getting anywhere near anything. Would your setup have caught him that fast? Tell us in the comments. This guy tried to walk off with someone's ladder in broad daylight. Did he really think no one would notice? Watch him get it almost all the way out before the homeowner steps in and catches him red-handed.
Who's the up there?
My buddy Frank.
Who you
My
up there?
buddy Frank, I'm working with him. He said, go up to the house. I think I have the wrong house. He said, grab the ladder, it's in the back. Let me check the number.
Yeah. Yeah.
That close, in broad daylight. These thieves are definitely getting bolder. Would you have caught him in time? This guy was scoping out someone's house, maybe for a future break-in. Now look here at this doorbell footage.
I have a...
No, I can't get to the door right now. You could just leave it at the door.
Is nobody home?
I can't get to the door right now. You could just drop it off. I'm not expecting a delivery. Thank you. Can't get to the door right now. Now you could just leave it.
There's no one home, right?
He's clearly casing the property. The homeowner didn't fall for any of his excuses and told him to leave right away. That's not visiting. That's reconnaissance. Would you have confronted him or just called cops? Trust your instincts. This guy spotted an unlocked vehicle and made his decision instantly. How long do you think it took him to drive off? Watch him get in and disappear in under a minute. Not a single second of hesitation. Would your car have stopped him? Older cars are a common target. Fewer anti-theft features means easier access. Keep yours locked. This guy decided a trash can was worth stealing in the middle of the night. What exactly was his plan here? Watch him make his move like this is a completely normal thing to do. A trash can. That's what we've come to. What would you have done if this was yours? Two moose out looking for food and not a McDonald's in sight. Can you blame them for being disappointed? Watch them settle for their usual greens instead. You can practically see the letdown on their faces. These two had higher hopes for the evening. What would you have ordered for them? In Sandy, Utah, a woman showed up at someone's house mumbling and acting strange. What was going on with her? After a while, the homeowner came outside to check on her directly.
Hello.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, you're good. Sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm just like looking at these because they're so cute.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, calm down. Are you okay?
Yeah, I am.
From the way she was acting, it was clear she was having a really rough time. What would you have done in the homeowner's place? This guy was going door to door trying to get inside. Did he really think no one in the neighborhood was watching? Watch him work his way through until he finally gets into one. Police were called and he was arrested on the spot. Would you have spotted him before he got that far? In Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a group of guys pulled up around midnight and headed straight for someone's backyard. Did they know exactly where they were going?
House speaks Spanish, but I know what you're doing. Sitting around the house full of nuts. Baby.
The Ring camera caught all of it, but they had no idea they were being recorded. They skipped this house. By the next morning, a car had been stolen from somewhere else in the neighborhood. Would you have connected the dots that fast? Tell us in the comments. In Pueblo, Colorado, this guy spotted a bike and made his decision in about 3 seconds. Did he think no one had a camera on him? Watch him grab it and disappear just as fast. The theft was reported. He was never caught. The bike never came back. Would you have spotted him in time? In San Antonio, Texas, this guy snuck around in the middle of the night to steal roofing materials. Why exactly couldn't that wait until morning? Watch him carefully make his move like this is a perfectly normal midnight errand. Of all the things to steal in the dark, what would you have done if this was your property? This strange lady showed up at someone's door and started mumbling. What exactly was she trying to say? Watch her go on like she expects to be completely understood.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, let me ask you.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
A few candies. A few candy you have it. Just that. Eh? Huh? What? Hey! I have my house over here, miss. Okay? Hey! I have my house over here. I can call 911. Me too.
Not a single word came through clearly. Leave your best guess in the comments. What do you think she was after?
What happened 911? I will sound 911.